to our channel Tea Family. Today I will show you how to make these crispy, crunchy, delicious salted rice crackers. You will be saving tens of many on snacks by making snacks like this at home. Don't worry, they are pretty simple to make and will be pretty tasty if you do it right. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also click the bell icon so you will always be notified whenever we upload new recipes. Okay, the very first thing we need to do is to dry the cooked rice. Okay, we got a rice here to dry. It's one rice. The rice you're gonna dry need to be hot or warm at least, because we're going to mold the rice and it's impossible to mold if the rice is not hot. Whole rice will not be sticky enough to mold. Alright, for drying process we have two options. One is naturally dry under the sun and another one is dry in the oven. I have done both depending on the weather, but the result will be the same. I will show you my oven way and I will also tell you how to dry it under the sun. To dry under the sun, I recommend you to use a big flat bottom basket with tiny air holes like this one and place under the sun. So rice will dry faster than the trays. Okay, now we will start the molding process. I will use these measuring spoons to mold my rice. And I will choose the size of the teaspoon. This one. Because the smaller or the thinner, the better. If molded pieces are too big, your rice won't be fully dried inside. If the rice is not dry completely inside, your cracker will not be crispy and crunchy. It will be so hard to bite it. Okay, now take the spoon, let it wet in the water a little bit, like this. And take rice and mold like this. You see? You got it? I will show you again one more time. Put the spoon in the water and let it wet a little bit. Take some rice. Give it a little tap. Okay, it's done. Now I have about 80 molded pieces here on the tray. Now I will put them in the oven, 150 degree, 50 minutes. Okay, now all the molded rice pieces are dry. Look at this. I will show you here. So they are ready to be deep fried. Okay, just remember you will be deep frying them, so you need plenty of oil. Amount the whole pieces can sink in. You see? This amount. If you properly deep fry them, the rice pieces will expand and you will get crunchy crackers. Okay, now we got plenty of crackers for nothing really. Okay, I will just sprinkle some salt like this to give a cracker salted flavor, and it's ready to be served. You can choose not to use salt and dip them in any sauce and eat them too. We love eating salted flavor, especially Thomas. He can't get enough of them. You can guess it will not break your bank to make these tasty snacks at home. We only needed rice and oil to make. I will share even more snacks recipes with you guys in the future. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like it, hit the like button below and let us know what you think about this recipe. Stay safe. Bye.